Hello children, grade 5, block 2 and S2. It is about, topic is process of blood circulation presented by Caroline teacher. Here you can see the impure blood from the human body comes to the heart through veins. All the impure blood is collected into two largest veins, right? Two inferior and superior vena cava. From there, blood enters into the right auricle. Right atrium or right auricle. Here you can see a right auricle. The impure blood, deoxygenated blood first enters into the right auricle. From the right auricle, it enters into the right ventricle. From the right ventricle, it here you can see a pulmonary artery. It enters into the pulmonary artery. This is a pulmonary artery. You can see a blue color, which is a deoxygenated blood, means impure blood. So from right ventricle, the blood enters into the pulmonary artery. From the pulmonary artery, it enters into the lungs. Why it enters into the lungs? Because the blood is purified in the lungs. From there, here it enters into the left atrium. Here, this side. Can you see? From the left atrium. From left atrium to it enters into the left ventricle, right? So who will carry this blood? See, after purifying the blood, here pulmonary artery, here the pulmonary artery carries the impure blood to the lungs. In the lungs, the blood is purified. From there, the pulmonary vein over here, can you see here pulmonary vein? It carries the, after purifying the blood, the pulmonary vein will carry the pure blood, that is called oxygenated blood. Here the pulmonary vein carries the pure blood to the what is here, left atrium. From the left atrium to left ventricle. From there it enters into the aorta. Here it goes to the aorta. From aorta it goes to the rest of the whole body. This is called a process of blood circulation. Here you can see, unlike other arteries, pulmonary artery carries, where is pulmonary artery? Here pulmonary artery carries what did you learn here? Pulmonary artery carries here, pulmonary artery carries impure blood, right, from the right ventricle into the lungs, and it is called an artery, right? It is called an artery as it takes blood away from the heart. Unlike other veins, the pulmonary vein carries pure blood from the lungs to the right atrium to the heart. Got it, children? So just again I'll review. So here you can see, just again I'll review. Here what happens over here, the blood, the deoxygenated blood enters into the right atrium. From the right atrium to the right ventricle. From the right ventricle into the pulmonary artery. From the pulmonary artery into the lungs, right? From there it comes to the who will carry this one? Oxygenated blood. Here pulmonary vein will carry the oxygenated blood. In the pulmonary arteries carry deoxygenated blood. Pulmonary vein will carry oxygenated blood to the left atrium. From the left atrium it comes to the left ventricle. From the left ventricle it goes to the aorta. From the aorta it goes to the rest of the body. Got it, children? Thank you.